How is everybody this morning? Jennifer Woolsey here, and we are going to do a makeup tutorial. So, gotta get that throat cleared. I'm going to show you a cool way to do your lips to have that fuller, pouty kiss lip. So, I hope you're excited to hop in with me, and let's have fun. So, I'm going to pull this hair back because it's in my face. It's in my face a little bit. So, let's pull her back just a little bit. There we go. Okay, so do you really even concentrate on your lips anymore with everything going on in the world? Can't wear, we have to wear masks, so, okay. Oh, I should tell y'all. I already primed with my Vitamin C Illuminating Primer this morning because I wanted a little extra glow. I'm going in now with my concealer in Mocha. Ooh, ooh. There we go. Just giving, oh, I forgot my eyelids. Okay. Just giving myself a little bit of coverage on these eye areas. Here we go. Now we are rocking and rolling. So, do you even wear lipstick anymore? You know, I've gotten to where I wear a lot of like gloss because more so for the moisture impact than for the actual color, because hardly anybody can see it. So why do you, unless you're on like a Zoom call. If you're on a Zoom call, then you want pretty lips. Okay, we're gonna do Cashmere Complexion Powder Foundation, and this is shade N120. So I've got a stiff staffling brush and just doing like little circular motions. I'm not doing big motions because I want it to be a tighter, more compact coverage, because that's what we want for that flawless face. There we go. Just kind of buffing it. Hey Sandra, so do you even wear lipstick anymore? I was just talking about a pouty lip. I'm going to show you guys how to do a pouty lip today. So it's like a injection without the needle. How about that? To get those puffy lips. Yes, ma'am. Okay, well, she's still wearing some, so good deal. I didn't know with all the mask mandates how many people are actually even wearing lipstick anymore. I know, it's one of my favorites too. Okay, so you can see, went on super easy. I love, love, love that powder foundation. Oh, hello. Gonna brush these brows up. They need a little trim, I think. Just dropped my lid, that's okay. This is Tattoo Station Brow Pencil in shade brown. Got something going on up there. And I'm just, now do you do your brows? That's the question. You know, years ago I didn't, and I think about 3 years ago I started, maybe 2. And I can see such a difference in my face whenever I am doing a brow pencil. I don't have to wear a mask at work. Oh, that's cool. Good morning, Amanda. Do you wear lipstick? Okay. So I'm getting to the bottom of my tattoo station. I can tell. So I'm trying to do just small hair-like movements, so it just looks like it's part of the brow. And I can tell right there where I have a little bit of baldness, so we're just gonna fill it in. And hold on, I gotta grab my cap. Okay, got that done. Okay, let's do some eyes real quick, and then I'm gonna show you that pouty lip. We're gonna do the Quad Mocha Latte today, one of my favorite quads, because it's not a super bold palette, and I can just kind of work it down a little bit. I'm going in with one, covering those lids. Just doing this with my flat eyeshadow brush too. I should tell you guys that. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, I had to order another tattoo station. Oh no, I love that pencil. It is, because it doesn't, like, I have to take it off at night, which is something that I'm always looking for. I don't want a eyeliner that, we're gonna go on with two now. I don't want an eyeliner that, or an eyebrow pencil that just, you know, runs down your face. So I love that this one stays in place until I take it off. Okay, we're just working that crease. I did change brushes to a crease brush. Whoa, I got a little wild there. A little wild. It's okay. We can blend it out. So the trick is to blend, blend, blend. Blend those eyes. Okay, we're gonna pick up 3. And I'm gonna blend it into what I got going on up here. My eyes are a little bit hooded, so I've been trying to work that crease up just a little bit to not give it quite the hooded appearance. So you can still see that I have eyeshadow on. Ah, okay. 4, we're gonna do just a tad bit on this edge, kind of for that winged look, because I can't do the winged with my eyeliner because my eyes are aging. On Point eyeliner, one of my favorite eyeliners, because it self-sharpens and I get that sharp edge every time, which is something I'm always looking for. Okay, so you can already see how much the eyeliner makes a difference. We're all lined, yay! Okay, let's hop in with some Love mascara and finish these eyes off, and then we're just gonna go straight to the lip because I want to show you the pouty lip. Okay, I don't want you to miss it, and you may have to get to work or get your kids somewhere or something. And I've been practicing, so hopefully I've got it down. My favorite is the birthday balm. I'll reapply it if I have to. Yes, that birthday balm, shea butter in it. Oh my gosh, it just feels so nourishing on your lips, even if you do have a mask on. Okay, so today I have to take my big guy. We have to go to the children's hospital. He has to have a test done. So I need my makeup to last and be durable through a mask. Because the whole time we're at the hospital, we're going to have to wear a mask. If I can get him to keep one on, we'll see. And hopefully, I will be a great aunt today. My niece is in the hospital, about to have my very first great nephew. I'm so excited. The sad part is, normally we would be at the hospital with them, but because of COVID, COVID needs to go away. I'm tired of it. Okay, let's hop in and do this lip thing. Okay, so I'm using it's actually an eyeliner brush. It's 2-sided. Yes, it is super soft feeling. Okay, so I'm using our bronzer, the Colors of Love bronzer, and I'm gonna use the thicker part of this brush, and I'm just dipping it in, Just kind of dipping it into the bronzer palette. Okay. Let's go. Are y'all ready? Okay, so we're taking that and we're just going to go where the shadows of your lips are. So when you're looking at mine, you can kind of see the shadows are here. Good morning, sister. She's supposed to be a grandma. My sister is going to be a grandma. I'm going to call her grandma. Okay, so we're going to go in the shadows of your lips. Are you ready? You may have to swipe the comments to move them out of the way so you can see. I got my handy dandy mirror here. So I'm not lining them. I'm really going underneath the lip. Okay? So you can kind of see it's already made that lip look fuller. Okay? So now we're going to go on the top part, and you can see here, you can see my shadow here. And those outer layers, you really want to get good. Kind of pull your lips up just a little bit. There we go. So this is how you do the puffy lips so that you don't have to do the injections, because I'm not doing no needles in my lips. I'm not doing no needles anywhere, so. Okay. And don't worry. We're going to blend it out. Okay. So this is kind of like a contouring of your lips, if you will. Okay. Now I'm going to take my highlighter. I don't know how this is going to turn out, so y'all just going to have to hang with me. I practiced it, but it's not turning out the same way that it did. Okay. First, we're going to do Queen Carnation. We're going to do our blush just because that's what I want to use. So we're going to take it, and from where I line that shadow, I'm just bringing it up on my lips. You know, you don't have to really just use lipstick on your lips. You can use other things. And I'm starting at the edge and I'm just bringing it down. Really focusing on that inner corner, because that's where you want the fullness. As we age, for some reason, those inner corners seem to be what kind of disappears. Oh, thank you. Cheryl Thornton got me that. Good morning, Sylvia. Thank you. Okay, so I'm taking my blender and lightly touching that contour that I did. Okay, y'all ready? Now I'm going to go in with my highlighter, and I'm going to use the skinny end. And I'm just going to go kind of over. A little bit more here, a little bit here in the Cupid's bow, a little bit here, just to add a little shine. I should have taken a before and after picture. And I'm just kind of going over that edge where I contoured. A little bit there. I just need to blend it out just a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to go right here on the Cupid's bow. So do I already look like I've had lip injections? What do you think? Okay. We are going to use my favorite VDL. This is the lip cube. It's actually got a some active ingredients in it that are going to moisturize your lips and plump them up just a little bit. And I have lip injections without the needle. What do you think? Can you tell? I could do a little bit more, I think, on the top part, but Is it the kissy face? Okay, I forgot my blush, so I'm going to go in now with my Queen Carnation and just put a pop of blush on my cheek because I want this color to all match up. And then we'll do just a tiny bit of highlighter. So just like you would contour your face, you can contour the shadows of your lips to get that look that you're looking for. And it's kind of one of those trial and errors. You just play with it until you get the right thing. It looks great. I can't wait. Thank you, Sylvia. Good morning, Cindy. You got here just in time for the plumping lips. Okay, we're going to do highlighter. And I'm just, because I want it to match what I've got on my lips, I'm just going to do a little pop here. A little pop there. I totally did my makeup out of routine this morning. There we go. We are glammed and ready to go to the hospital. It's what every mom should do, right? Glam up for a day at the hospital. So we have testing today. Hopefully everything comes out well. Be praying for my niece as she is bringing my great nephew into this world. We're so excited. And practice these techniques. Play around. Do things that are different. I mean, what else do we have to do? So contour those lips and get that pouty kiss. Look for yourself. I'll see you all. If you want some color matching, let me know. I'd love to help you color match any of these products. Share this video. Somebody else may love this technique and may actually try it. So share this video. And then if you want to shop, you can shop at youravon.com/jwoolsey. And you support a small family, not a big box store. So, oh, one last step. Let's set and mist. I keep forgetting this. I always do it after. This is going to set my makeup through the mask wearing all day long at the hospital. So, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much, and I will see you all later. Bye.